In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment methods in your Shopify store for 2025. By the end of this guide, you'll have a good understanding of how to make sure your Shopify store is set up to accept payments from a variety of sources, which is critical for maximizing your sales potential. Let's get started on this important step to ensure your online store runs smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you need to log into your Shopify account and navigate to your admin dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to go to your storefront. This is the digital workspace where you'll make all the necessary changes to integrate payment methods with your e-commerce site. Now you've logged in successfully, great. Next, you need to locate the settings option on your dashboard. It's typically found at the bottom of the left sidebar. This is a crucial step because nearly all the configuration options of your Shopify store can be accessed from here. So go ahead and click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings area, look for the Payments tab. Clicking on this tab will take you to the section where you can manage all your payment related settings. This step is essential as it's the dedicated section for incorporating various payment gateways into your store. In the Payments section, you'll see a range of options. Here is where you can choose your payment provider. Shopify supports a variety of payment gateways, including Shopify Payments, PayPal, third-party providers, and even manual payment methods like bank deposits or cash on delivery. When you click on the Choose a Provider button, a drop-down list will appear with a multitude of payment gateway options. This part is flexible, so you can select the gateway that best suits your business needs. As you browse through the list of options, consider what payment methods are popular among your target audience. You want to make sure you're offering the payment solutions that your customers prefer and are comfortable using. Many businesses choose to add multiple payment options to provide flexibility and convenience to their customers. It's important to make this choice thoughtfully, as it can have a significant impact on the customer experience and ultimately your sales. Once you've selected a payment provider from the drop-down menu, follow their specific instructions to connect it to your Shopify store. Each provider may require slightly different steps to complete the integration process. Some may ask you to set up an account with them first, while others might need certain credentials or API keys. Make sure you follow these instructions closely, as proper integration is necessary for the payment process to function correctly and securely on your store. Now that brings us to the final step. Testing. It's always a good idea to conduct a test transaction to ensure everything is working as expected. You can do this by placing a test order on your site just to see if the payment processes without any issues. This step helps you catch any errors or necessary corrections before your customers encounter them, giving you the chance to provide a seamless shopping experience from the very first interaction they have with your site. To wrap it up, adding a payment method to your Shopify store involves a few structured steps: navigating to your settings, selecting the payment section, choosing a provider, and then properly setting it up. By following these steps, your store will be equipped to handle transactions smoothly and efficiently. Remember, the payment experience is a vital part of the customer journey on your website, and a smooth, trustworthy checkout process can significantly impact your brand's reputation and customer satisfaction levels. I hope this tutorial was helpful and guided you through the process of adding new payment methods to your Shopify store. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Shopify support or consult the extensive help resources they offer to ensure your store is set up just right. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials to continue optimizing your online store.